Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani everyone. This is your boy. This is Consistent Podcast. I am back with more news. Guys bafethu, it's been a long time not recording any content, but I want to record a quality content. Hence why I bought a new camera for a new content and expect a new quality content coming soon. So bafethu, as I'm recording this one on my phone, we have lots of news to cover up. Lots of news, like the coaching staff being sacked, new player arriving, new coaches to be announced very, very soon. The question is, who is that coach who will be announced around 5 to 8 June next month? Is it Coach Peter Msimane? Is this Coach Manqoba Mnqethi? Or is this Coach Kruna Solve Juris? If you wanna know more about the coaches and the new players and coaches being sacked, stay tuned to the video and let's jump straight into it together.
Talk about a man on fire. Tactics.
Hello everybody, I am your boy Manqoba Mnqobo, all the way from a great town, and this is Consistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa phe. So namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa phe. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also just share the video. Bafethu, lots have been happening lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs eNaturena and ngisemumva kancane, but I'll try to keep you updated bafethu. As you know ukuthi bafethu, I love you and thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Let's get straight into the story. So we all know that our coaching staff have been sacked, all of them, including the goalkeeper coach. We all know. I am sad about him. I am so sad about that guy leaving, Mr. Sisu. But I think Kaizer Chiefs want to start a new project with a new coach. I'm sure we are all wondering, who is that coach? Who is he from? But before we speak about coaches, something could happen today, early in the morning. Kaizer Chiefs have officially signed Thabo Moloisane from Stellenbosch. Yes, this guy. I am talking about this guy, Thabo Moloisane, guys. The one of the best defenders in Betway Premiership. We've tried to sign him in past season, but now he's our player. Can't wait to see him playing along Dudley with the likes of Zitakwenika. Those are our best centre backs, with the likes of Eden McCarthy. So Bafethu, I'm happy with the signing, but you can also rate the signing out of 10 down below in the comments and tell me, what do you think about Thabo Moloisane. Speaking about the players, there were rumors around Lilepo ukuthi he might be leaving Kaizer Chiefs, or he is leaving Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know anything about Lilepo. I haven't got updates on him. All I know is that right now he's a Kaizer Chiefs player for now. But anything else, I don't know about him. I don't know anything about Lilepo, so I'll keep you updated as the time goes by. First, even the so many things will happen when the window open. So Bafethu, the big story that's broke out just around 20 minutes now. The new coach of Kaizer Chiefs has signed the new deal. He is signed up, guys, 2 years and an option to extend. Mind you, the problem is, it is also said that he is coming with 4 or 5 of his coaching staff, and others will be from South Africa. The problem is, who is that coach For the fact that we know that he will arrive in Johannesburg around, they say, 20 something June. That tells us he is not here in South Africa as we speak. He might be South African, but he's not here in South Africa. So the like of Manqoba Mnisi, unlikely we have to cancel him in the list. I don't think he's the coach. It might be between Upetso Msimane and this guy, the coach of Pyramid FC, who left Pyramid at the end of the season, Krunoslav Juricic, the coach from Croatia. So, guys, it's between Pitso Msimane and that guy and other candidates outside from South Africa. As I told you, Gusi, the guy, he will be coming from other country or other city. I'm not sure, but he's coming to Johannesburg. But he will be revealed around 5 to 8 June. So I'm excited about this, and there are more players that Kaizer Chiefs will announce. Others, they will be announcing that they are leaving the club, and others they will announcing as our new signings. As the other guy, I posted a video about him, the new signing of Kaizer Chiefs. Beside Moloisane, he's the one that kid from Brazil who's playing a swing. So, Bafethu, make sure also to stay tuned to this channel because there is more coming. New signings, new players. Kaizer Chiefs will be signing new players this season, no doubt, as we look to rebuild our squad and build the momentum and fight for trophies. So, Bafethu, as you know, what coaches wants to sign their players. I hope Kaizer Chiefs didn't sign a coach, but they signed a manager. There's a difference between a coach and a manager. A manager gets to choose the players that he wants to sign and the players that he doesn't want in the squad. So, Bafethu, let's hope it's a manager so he can decide who he wants or who he doesn't want. Tell me, Bafethu, what do you think alolu daba lonke from coaches departing, coaches arriving, and a new player being announced today, Thabo Moloisane, one of the best centre back in the Betway Premiership, Bafethu. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to like the video and share the video if you can. That's all I have for you right now. But when I come back, I promise you to come back with a different studio setting, a different quality of a camera. But for now, just watch the whole video and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on another one.